Hey guys, do you know you can still be making money with Binance P2p irrespective of your region? So that is what I want to show you right now, so that if you're actually watching this video and you are a P2p merchant or a trader, you can actually go and execute this method and also make money to yourself. You know, where there is money, you always find Nigerians. If you go to a place and you see like you discover like 3 or to 10 Nigerians, there's something fishy there. So you need to stick around and know what is going on there. So I actually discovered this thing I want to show you. NGN has been delisted from Binance, so there's no way of you trading NGN anymore. Instead, we are trading dollars instead. So I'll show you how you will be able to still trade this dollar and make profits for yourself. Without wasting much time, I am Crypto 001. What I do in this channel is I promote crypto updates such as exchanges, arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, P2P trading, and the rest. So so if you like the kind of content I drop on this channel, please do well to like and share my video, and also subscribe so that you do get to many people to also benefit from this. So let's move into the video right now. So first of all, what we need to do is to click on trade here. Once you click on trade, it will take you to another interface. You can see here that USDT NGN does not exist or has been delisted. We all know about this now. So what we need to do is to click on P2P. You can see I just click on P2P, and what is popping up here is USD. That shows up because I have actually logged into. I've been on this space since yesterday trying to figure out something that will benefit my subscribers. So I actually come back here to show you. So what you need to do is this aspect here that actually want to show you guys is favorable to people who are buying. If you are a P2P merchant, as a merchant, if you want to buy, you create a sell order so that normal people will come and sell for you. As a merchant, as a merchant you need to buy low and go and sell high. So as a merchant, you need to come. These people you are seeing posting ads here, they are all merchants. These sell ads you are seeing here, those merchants are actually buying from you, and you as a person going to the market, you want to sell your crypto, you now click on sell here, and you are selling to them and they are buying from you. You can see. So what you need to do is to come to USD. You are not trading your NGN again. You are not trading your local currency since it has been banned by the federal government. What you need to do is to trade USD instead of NGN. So if you come here, as I said earlier, that it is beneficial to those that actually are actually merchants. So what you need to do is to come here. Once you are here, you can see home, you can see others, ads and profile. You click on ads here. You guys know how to post ads already, so I'm not going in details for that. So you just come here, click on ads, post your ads, and set your terms and condition, the rate you are paying, and all the necessary things that will make a successful trade. So what you need to do is, you can see this guy here. Let me click on this first guy to show you something. If I actually want to sell to this guy now, you see this guy is buying from $66 to 97,000 USDT. So you can see the guy here. You can see his term and condition: paying NG users don't open if you are not from this region. That means if you are not from Nigeria, you should not come to trade he with him. He's only dealing with Nigerians. It can pay you from any bank you provide, as far as it is well recognized bank in Nigeria, whether it's First Bank Access Bank, Opay, Palmpay. So let me go and show you another guy. So let's come down here. You can see these guys. Let me click on this one. You can see, you can see this guy is actually buying from the rate of 1.5 per USDT, but and you can see I pay all Nigerians bank, add only for Nigerians. Naira engine is the only payment. So they're actually paying Naira. All these people you are seeing, they're actually Nigerians. They just, since their currency has been delisted from the platform, they now move to another currency to base there and trade. So you can see the term and condition. Now you can see his rate. So if you are not certain with this rate, you can actually move to another one and keep checking till the one that suits you. But one thing I don't like about this is that if you're actually selling to if you actually want to, let me say you want to sell $50 worth of USDT, instead of them to pay you $55 or calculate 1.5 in times 55 and pay you, they will not do that. Instead they will calculate that 1.5 times the number of USDT you actually want to sell to them, which is at times not profitable depending on if you want to execute the market very fast. So one thing I discovered about that is this kind of trading, it only favors those who are buying. It doesn't favor those who are selling in terms of coming to the market to buy and sell, buy and sell. You can only make profit. I don't mean you bought it at a rate of 1,400 and coming here you now come and sell at the rate of 1.5 here. That's the only time you will make profit. But I don't mean you are going to the market right now and you want to buy and come and sell as we normally do before. You will not be able to make profits because of the low rates they are actually buying. All of them, they're actually looking for profit, and you too, you are also looking for profit. So what you need to do is, just if you have any money and you can buy crypto, you can buy USDT when it go down in value, and you can buy it and keep, and when it rise again, you now come and look for merchant there and sell. And if you are a merchant, what you need to do is just to come and post an ads and buy from people and go and sell. If you should check around, this guy has 98.9% review. So you can see people are actually commenting this guy positively. So let's go down and see his trading volume. You can see this guy, with in the space of 30 days, this guy has been able to trade 5,978 times, which is actually making massive profit. These guys are actually making money here. So this is another way you can actually make money, and this is also another way you can actually come and sell your USDT on Binance and also make profit. If you like this kind of content that I'm dropping for you guys, please do well to like and subscribe. Okay, be dropping this more and more. Anytime I find updates, I will be dropping this for you guys to understand. Okay, thank you very much. I love you guys.